In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on Binance using debit card. So once you're on your home page, click on trade at the bottom menu. Then at the top menu here, you're going to make sure to click on buy and sell. Here you're just going to enter what you're trying to buy. So I'm going to search for USDT. So you have a list of options to quickly enter the amount you want to buy, minimum, maximum, or $50. Let me just enter minimum. So this is the minimum amount you can buy. When you do that, you have options to pay. You can pay with your card. So you just need to click on add new card. So when you do that, you just need to enter your card information, your card number, expiry date, CVV, enter your billing address, and you confirm. That way you're going to be able to purchase your USDT.